Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. In today's session we're going to discuss a very important topic from your relations and functions chapter, that is a chapter 1 of your class 12 syllabus. Now this topic is congruence modulo M. Now this topic is very important, as well as it is very simple as well to understand. Also a humble reminder to all my viewers that all the previous topics and relations and functions that I have discussed, I have pinned it in the description, so do go ahead and watch it as well to have a proper clarity regarding all the relevant topics of relations and functions. So now without any further delay, let's get started. Now first of all, let us understand what do you mean by congruence modulo M. Suppose we have two integers a and b, and m is a positive integer. Now be very sure that m has to be a positive integer. Then a is congruent to b modulo m if m divides the difference of a minus b. Now this sentence by itself might sound a little bit confusing, so let me give you a proper example here. Suppose you have two numbers, suppose 15 and you have 3. Now clearly the difference of 15 and 3 is 12. Now as you can see that this particular number that we got by subtracting 15 and 3, now 15 and 3 by the way both are integers, and after the difference of both these integers we get again one more integer. As we know that a difference of integer is again an integer, we get 12. Now this number, that is 12, is exactly divisible by 4. Yes, it might be divisible by other numbers as well, but I am saying for the argument's sake that it is divisible by 4. Now this particular statement can be written as 15 congruent 3 mod 4. Alright, so this is the definition where we say that 15 congruent 3 mod 4. That implies that the difference of 15 and 3 is divisible by 4. As we can see in the statement here, we use the notation a congruent b mod m to indicate a is congruent to b modulo m. Alright, so how do you pronounce it, or how do you say it verbally, that a is congruence, okay, a congruence, and that m is its modulus. Alright, so this is a very simple topic. I hope you had a proper clarity regarding this particular topic. As I told you that this topic in itself is very simple. Now let us take an example where we see that this particular definition is not satisfied. Say suppose we take 15 and on the other hand we take say suppose minus 2. Now if you see the difference of these two numbers, now clearly as I've told you before that a and b are supposed to be integers, it doesn't matter, it can be a negative integer as well. Now if you see the difference of 15 and minus 2, what we will get? 15 minus minus 2, so eventually we'll get 17. Alright, so can I say that its modulus is 4? 17's modulus is not 4 clearly, because 17 is not divisible by 4. It's a prime number, so it's not divisible by 4. So in this case we will just make a cross symbol here in the congruence to represent that it is not congruent. Okay, 15 is not congruent to minus 2 and its modulus is not 4. That implies that the difference of 15 and minus 2 is not divisible by 4. So this is the video guys. I hope you had a proper insight regarding what do you mean by congruence modulo M. In the coming videos we'll discuss the previous year's question papers as well as JEE question paper where the relations and functions questions has been asked. So if you're watching the video for the very first time, do show some support, and if it adds any value to your preparation, so do consider to hit the like button so that we can reach a wider audience, and also do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, of course. Till we meet next time, God bless you and thank you all.